Best Luxury Small Car for 2025 to 2024 Volkswagen Arteon. As 2025 approaches, the 2024 Volkswagen Arteon has been recognized as the best luxury small car of the year. This accolade highlights the Arteon's unique blend of elegant design, advanced technology, and impressive performance, making it a standout choice in the competitive luxury compact segment. Elegant design and premium interior. The 2024 Volkswagen Arteon captivates with its sleek and sophisticated design. Its low, wide stance, bold front grille, and sharp LED headlights give it a commanding presence on the road. The fastback silhouette adds a touch of sportiness, while the aerodynamic profile enhances both style and efficiency. Inside, the Arteon boasts a luxurious and spacious cabin. High-quality materials, including leather upholstery and brushed metal accents, create a refined environment. The front seats are both supportive and comfortable, featuring multiple adjustments and heating functions. The rear seats offer generous space, making the Arteon a practical choice for those who value both luxury and functionality. Advanced technology and connectivity. The 2024 Arteon is equipped with a range of cutting-edge technology features designed to enhance convenience and connectivity. The centerpiece is a 12.0-inch Discover Pro touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. The system's intuitive interface provides easy access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Additional technology includes a 10.2-inch digital cockpit, offering customizable displays for essential driving information. The Arteon also features an available Harman Kardon premium audio system, providing an immersive listening experience. Performance and handling. Under the hood, the Arteon features a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing 300 horsepower and 273 lb-ft of torque. This powertrain delivers brisk acceleration and a dynamic driving experience. The Arteon's standard all-wheel drive system and adaptive chassis control ensure excellent handling and stability. Safety and driver assistance. Safety is a priority in the 2024 Arteon, which includes a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. Standard technologies include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control, contributing to a safer driving experience. Conclusion. The 2024 Volkswagen Arteon stands out as the best luxury small car for 2025, offering an exceptional combination of style, technology, and performance. Its elegant design, advanced features, and dynamic driving experience make it a compelling choice for luxury compact car enthusiasts.